Alright, so I'm gonna play two of those games. So let's go straight to business. So we're just gonna be very brief. So this time is 8:15, and so it's a very simple game. Okay, so it's very easy. So now we play in perfect draws. Okay, when I mean perfect draws, we're going to play in perfect draws, right? So now you can see we're going to start off from the new season. So everything's well explained tutorial. So 350 is new season. You're going to stop at 374. So 350, 351. That's the pattern I'm going to use. 355, 356. So the next we're going to play is 360, 361. Okay, and now we're going to play it in a specific way. Okay, so watch this. Alright, so we're gonna play these two patterns. So we played in two games, okay? We played the first one, we roll over, the played for the first rollover. So that's how we're gonna do it. So the whole system, the whole concept is well explained in the tutorial. So let's wait for it. Okay. Now, watch. What we're gonna do now, we'll go to colors. So let's use this. Then we're gonna play these three games. Okay. These three games. So watch these three games. Okay. You can see these three games now. Once we win once we win this one, now we'll roll over every single thing, the profit margin in the next game. So every single thing is going to give us a 50% return on initial stake. Okay, all right. So the bit about this is there's a pattern to it. All right. So once we follow the pattern comes out every single time. You can see, we won this one. Okay, we won my network. So we're going to do the next one. The next one we played. So let's increase the 150 and just I don't have my staking plan. So you're supposed to have a staking plan to know the next amount to play. Okay. Alright, so just do it. Okay. Now we play perfect draw. So meaning if I'm to now I'm playing 60, 61. If I'm to play the next pattern, it's a perfect draw to play again. Alright, so if you want to play more games, you don't just play it, it's a way it's perfect draw you play to give you the same result. You do the same over and over time in a particular season. So once you're done, make sure you start from the beginning of the season because becoming you're gonna miss out. So there are 5 games in a season. Watch. We won this one. So let me just go back and refresh. Let's refresh the page. Let's go back. Okay, so you can see the balance has gone up. Let's go back again. So that's it for the 4 Niger itself. Okay, now if it's every 5 draws. Okay, now we're done with this. So the next game we're going to play is either we switch a perfect draw to continue on this same season, or we move to another season. That's how it works. So you follow this system systematically, just keep winning. So every single you depend on how much you have, you everything way there's a calculator you use and you know how much you're going to play. So if you win the first game, you know how much every single game you play. So if let's say you're using um the 3 games you're going to play is going to give you like a 3k. It's okay, let's say you're using 3k for those games. In every single 2 games you play, you make 50% of that 3k, which is like 1.5. You're using 10, if you're making 10k to play, if you're using 10k in those 3 games, every 2 games you play give you 5k. If you're using 20k, every 2 games you give it 10k. Okay, so it gives you 50%. Okay, so you can repeat that same process over time. You make sure it's the right season, make sure the right perfect draw.